Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to place an order on Temu. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Temu app on your device and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, you can browse through item displayed or go on to the top search bar. Search any items that you would like to purchase. Choose any picture that you like and tap on Add to Cart at the bottom page. Once you are ready to purchase the item, then tap on Cart and just like so, you can choose the item from here and go on to Checkout at the bottom page. Once you have done that, add your shipping methods and choose your payment method how you want to pay, like using card or Google Pay. Once selected, tap on Submit Order, and that is your order will be placed. So that's basically how you place an order on Temu. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.